Hi, this is Amanda Martin coming to you from San Antonio College for my students in English 1301. We've been talking a lot about the principles of revising and editing this week. Now, I want to call your attention specifically to things that you are going to be doing there. Our goal in any revision and editing is to create the best possible version of the piece. And that includes 4 particular tasks: add, rearrange, remove, and replace. Now, when we add, this is a part of revision that especially creates more support. You are trying to consider what details do your readers need in order to fully understand that you have not included yet. This means adding additional facts, examples, possibly exploring further certain points that maybe you didn't go too far into and need to clarify further. Now, if we talk about rearrange, there we are dealing with not underestimating the value of properly organizing so that your reader can follow along with what you're trying to express. This means making sure the order is such that it makes sense and goes from one point to another. We've talked about coherence in the past. That is precisely what you're trying to develop here, making sure the structure you put together is the best one for taking the reader through all the things you need them to understand. Next, remove. Revising and editing may also force you to consider whether a point actually fits in with what you're trying to express, what you're trying to explain or share with the reader. Now, this means that if a part that you put in does not contribute to developing your point, elaborating on what you are trying to express, that may be something you need to consider deleting. So that you can focus on developing things that are more beneficial to what you're trying to accomplish in that writing. And last, replace. Now, here, put quite simply, if something does not fit in with what you're trying to accomplish, does not contribute to what that piece is going to produce, seeking to share or explain to the reader, you need to consider whether it is something that needs to stay there, or if there is something you can put in place that would better contribute and better accomplish what you need. So that's a few more tips on revising and editing. I'll see you in class on Canvas. Take care.